sticking to a conventional diet and exercise plan can be difficult. However, there are several proven tips that can help you eat fewer calories with ease. A few simple changes can have a massive impact on your weight over the long term. Many simple lifestyle habits can help you lose weight. Some have nothing to do with conventional diet or exercise plans. However, it's probably best not to try all these things at once. Experiment with one technique for a while, and if that works well for you, then try another one. These are effective ways to reduce your weight, as well as to prevent weight gain in the future. Here are easy ways to lose weight without diet or exercise. All of them are based on science. 1. Chew thoroughly and slow down. Your brain needs time to process that you've had enough to eat. Chewing your food thoroughly makes you eat more slowly, which is associated with decreased food intake, increased fullness, and smaller portion sizes. How quickly you finish your meals may also affect your weight. A studies reported that faster eaters are more likely to gain weight than slower eaters. Fast eaters are also much more likely to be obese. To get into the habit of eating more slowly, it may help to count how many times you chew each bite. Eating your food slowly can help you feel more full with fewer calories. It is an easy way to lose weight and prevent weight gain. 2. Serve yourself smaller portions. Portion sizes have increased during the last few decades, especially at restaurants. Larger portions encourage people to eat more and have been linked to an increase in weight gain and obesity. One study in adults found that doubling the size of a dinner appetizer increased calorie intake by 30%. Serving yourself just a little less might help you eat significantly fewer calories. And you probably won't even notice the difference. Larger portion sizes have been linked to obesity and may encourage both children and adults to eat more food. 3. Eat plenty of protein. Protein has powerful effects on appetite. It can increase feelings of fullness, reduce hunger, and help you eat fewer calories. Study found that increasing protein intake from 15% to 30% of calories helped participants eat fewer calories per day and lose 11 pounds over 12 weeks, on average, without intentionally restricting any foods. In one study, overweight or obese women who had eggs for breakfast ate fewer calories at lunch compared to those who ate a grain-based breakfast. Adding protein to your diet has been linked to weight loss, even without exercise or conscious calorie restriction. 4. Eat fiber-rich foods. Eating fiber-rich foods may increase satiety, helping you feel fuller for longer. Studies also indicate that one type of fiber, viscous fiber, is particularly helpful for weight loss. It increases fullness and reduces food intake. Viscous fiber forms a gel when it comes in contact with water. This gel increases nutrient absorption time and slows down the emptying of your stomach. Viscous fiber is only found in plant foods. Examples include beans, oat cereals, Brussels sprouts, asparagus, oranges, and flax seeds. A weight loss supplement called glucomannan is also very high in viscous fiber. Viscous fiber is particularly helpful in reducing appetite and food intake. This fiber forms gel that slows down digestion. 5. Drink water regularly. Drinking water can help you eat less and lose weight, especially if you drink it before a meal. One study in adults found that drinking half a liter, 17 ounces, of water about 30 minutes before meals reduced hunger and lessened calorie intake. If you replace calorie-loaded drinks such as soda or juice with water, you may experience an even greater effect. Drinking water before meals may help you eat fewer calories. Replacing a sugary drink with water is particularly beneficial. 6. Use smaller plates for unhealthy foods. The typical food plate is larger today than it was a few decades ago. This trend could contribute to weight gain, since using a smaller plate may help you eat less by making portions look larger. On the other hand, a bigger plate can make a serving look smaller, causing you to add more food. You can use this to your advantage by serving healthy food on bigger plates and less healthy food on smaller plates. Smaller plates can trick your brain into thinking you're eating more than you actually are. Therefore, it's smart to consume unhealthy foods from smaller plates, causing you to eat less. 7. Store unhealthy foods out of sight. Storing unhealthy foods where you can see them may increase hunger and cravings, causing you to eat more. One study found that if high-calorie foods are more visible in the house, residents are more likely to weigh more than people who keep only a bowl of fruit visible. Store unhealthy foods out of sight, such as in closets or cupboards, so that they are less likely to catch your eye when you're hungry. On the other hand, keep healthy foods visible on your countertops and place them front and center in your fridge. If you keep unhealthy foods on your counter, you are more likely to have an unplanned snack. This is linked to increased weight and obesity. It's better to keep healthy foods like fruits and vegetables in plain sight. 8. Eat without electronic distractions. Paying attention to what you eat may help you consume fewer calories. People who eat while they're watching TV or playing computer games may lose track of how much they have eaten. This, in turn, can cause overeating. One study found that people who were distracted at a meal ate about 10% more in that sitting. Additionally, absent-mindedness during a meal has an even greater influence on your intake later in the day. People who were distracted at a meal ate 25% more calories at later meals than those who were present. If you regularly consume meals while watching TV or using electronic devices, you could be inadvertently eating more. These extra calories add up and have a massive impact on your weight in the long term. People who eat while distracted are more likely to overeat. Paying attention to your meals may help you eat less and lose weight. 9. Sleep well and avoid stress. When it comes to health, people often neglect sleep and stress. Both, in fact, have powerful effects on your appetite and weight. A lack of sleep may disrupt the appetite-regulating hormones leptin and ghrelin. Another hormone, cortisol, becomes elevated when you're stressed. Having these hormones fluctuate can increase your hunger and cravings for unhealthy food, leading to higher calorie intake. Chronic sleep deprivation and stress may increase your risk of several diseases, including type 2 diabetes and obesity. Poor sleep and excess stress may imbalance several important appetite-regulating hormones, causing you to eat more. If you like our video, please like, comment, share and subscribe us.